Hi, this is Tammy with Senior Solutions Group, and I just wanted to tell you about a client that I met with recently. She had signed up for an Advantage plan, and her husband both signed up for the same plan. They were in good health, didn't plan on getting sick or hurt or anything, and she reached out to me recently and found out that she had just been diagnosed with eye cancer. It was very much out of the blue and unexpected, and she was concerned about the plan that she was on, just making sure that her benefits were what she needed. And I was just really glad that she called me because we were able to make a change for her. We had a little window of an opportunity to make a change to get her coverage that would really help her out. And so I just really encourage you, if you have anything that's going on, or if you want to do a review of the plan that you're on, just to make sure anything that might be unexpected or just the kind of the what ifs, please reach out to us. We'd love to just do a review and just check your plan for you.